Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OnlyFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the OnlyFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. After you open the application, you can tap on the device icon, and on the device page you should see your SW022. Now, find the option called Dial Center and tap on it. And here wait until the page loads and you will see a list of watch faces you can install or download on your watch. So scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use. Once you find it, tap on the watch face to select it, for example, maybe this one. And once you select the watch face, tap on Synchronous Dial button and wait until it's done downloading and syncing to your watch. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch, as you can see, and then you can close the app. And that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.